Dun dun. And then Bubble went crazy. Nice. You see, I gave you guys new arms and legs. Don't worry, the other contestants and bonus people have the same treatment. Your challenge is to build the boat. Whoever rip the ribbon wins. Go. Poke. Well, everybody is up for elimination except Blocky. But I won't put them up for elimination due to announcers' budget cuts. I'm also not doing this because I don't feel like it. So your favorite characters get to stay in the game. But now, that just reminded me. What's your favorite character? Vote or put it here.